Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the answers of the video Quantifiers. Let's start. So in this exercise you have to write much or many in the spaces. So let's remember. Much, we use it for uncountable nouns and many for countable nouns. Let's see first one. We haven't got much rice for lunch. Remember, rice is uncountable because we cannot say a number before rice. We cannot say one rice or two rices. No, that's impossible. So rice is uncountable. So we have to use much with rice. Second, can you see many rabbits on the grass? We use many with rabbits because rabbits is countable. 3. You didn't buy many biscuits. There isn't much water in the kitchen. Did you buy many books today? There isn't much cola. There wasn't much coffee at the cafe. Does your father speak many languages? We don't put much milk in the cake. There aren't many tables. In the second exercise, we have to write a little that works with uncountable nouns or a few that works with countable nouns. Let's see first one. Could you give me a few carrots? Carrots is countable, so we are going to use a few. Second, have you got a little minutes? Minutes is uncountable, so we are going to use a little. 3. We need a few days next week. 4. The exam has only a few questions. 5. I'm going to buy a little coffee. 6. A few students are going to fail the exam. 7. She wants a little milk in her coffee. 8. I have a little money here. 9. A few people came to the party yesterday. If you are thinking about people, people is countable because we can say 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. So people is countable. So we say a few people. 10. I only have a little milk left. Now here, in this third exercise, you have to choose the correct option. Let's see first one. There are not many chairs. Why many? Chairs is countable. Here I left you which ones are possible with countable nouns. Some, few, and many work with countable nouns. But only many is possible here because of its meaning. For doing this exercise, you also have to check the meaning of each one. Second, how much time do you have? With time, we say much. 3. There is some sugar in the kitchen. Here, only some and any work with uncountable nouns, but some works in affirmatives. 4. We don't have much water. Some, a little, and much. All these three work with uncountable nouns, but only much works here because of the meaning. This is a question of meaning. Check the meaning of much. 5. Do you have any honey? Any and some work with uncountable nouns, but any works in questions. 6. She has a lot of chairs because we use any for negatives. 7. Do you have a lot of money? Again, this is a question of meaning, because if we say a little money sounds strange. 8. There are some books in this shelf. Some work in affirmative sentences and any in negatives. 9. How many dogs does he have? Here we are asking about the number, so we have to use many. With any, we are asking about an indefinite quantity, and we don't use some for questions. And 10, how much milk is there? For answers, we use noun. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.